Well, thank you for having me, Your Honor. I'm here just because I feel like I had some wrongdoing. You know what I mean? This is my lady right here in the blue shirt. As you can see, she has an identical twin. So I got my lady pregnant, and I also feel like I got her sister pregnant. Now, before you say anything, I know this is a fact because I talked to her dude in the white shirt, and he told me he had a vasectomy. So off top, I already know what happened.
Wait a minute, I have never had a court case like this. So you telling me you think both of these young ladies they had a baby by you?
Facts, absolutely.
What do you, okay, wait. Order my court. I need to know, what do you guys got to say about all this?
This is ridiculous. That would never happen. My sister would never do that to me.
Straight up lies. I wouldn't touch nobody's man but my own, Your Honor.
Exactly. And that's like a trust you can't break. I don't know what he's talking about. He's gonna be single.
Mr. Johnson, I need to know, what raised your suspicions about this?
I'm glad you asked. So the night me and my lady was together in the blue, you know what I mean? We cuddled up doing what we do. All of a sudden, you know, she was gonna go to the store and grab a few things for us for some dinner. Now, when she left, as soon as she left, I would say about 5 minutes later. Now, the store is usually about 15 minutes away. Here comes her sister who looks just like her. Keep this in mind, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, she climbed into bed. I'm sitting there kind of like, damn, that was quick. You know what I mean? But I didn't say,
hey.
I apologize,
yeah,
y'all.
The language.
I do apologize, my apologies. So she comes back in. And I say, you know, that seemed like that was quick. Now, as soon as she climbed into bed, I don't say nothing just because, you know, it's kind of weird. But anyway, she climbed into bed, I put my arm around her, and I noticed that my lady, she always shave her legs. So her sister, all due respect, got hairy legs, you know what I mean? So I was sitting there rubbing her legs. As I'm rubbing her legs, I felt the hair, you know what I mean? So off top, I was like, how did this happen? Anyway, she turned around, and she's really handsy. My girl a little bit more reserved, so she turned around handsy. But I'm thinking, it's just that time, you know, I'm about to do what I do. So she starts kissing me. As she's kissing me, I tasted a little like chicken nugget breath, you know what I mean? So I was like,
chicken nugget breath.
Yeah, it was weird. So, and we didn't eat chicken nuggets. So I'm like, how you got chicken nugget breath? So anyway, this is the reason I know for a fact that my girl was still at the store while her sister tried to sneak in the room and be with your man.
What? Okay, so I need to know, what is y'all take on this? I need to know. What?
Bold-faced lies, Your Honor. All lies. I don't know what this man's talking about.
Yeah.
I never step out on my sister like that.
I mean, what do you got to say about this?
I have complete trust in my sister. Nothing ever shakes that. So I don't know if he just had like a fantasy, he had a wet dream about it or something we need to talk about later.
Babe.
But this is definitely not the vibe right now.
All right, Mr. Johnson, are you hoping that this child in the white, the one that's wearing the white, because you know they identical, are you hoping this child is not yours?
I mean, absolutely. Of course, I don't want it to be. I would hope that, but to be honest, I feel like something is different. You know what I mean? I feel this weird connection with her. I can't even explain it, and that's all due respect. I'm being honest.
So you have feelings for my sister?
Babe, it ain't even like that. I'm just saying, I look at the dude and I'm like, that something ain't right.
So he kind of favors you, is what you're saying?
Exactly, Your Honor.
Wow. I mean, do you see any favor?
No, her son looks like her baby daddy. No. I've never seen the resemblance.
This is getting, this is blowing my hair right on back. I'm glad I wore a ponytail today. Who encouraged you to come to court today?
Honestly, it was her sister's man. Like I said, I talked to him. He talked to me about having a vasectomy 2 years ago.
Hey, excuse me.
He talked to me about having a vasectomy 2 years ago. And even he said it. He got big old eyes. I got slanted eyes. If you look at the kid, you're going to see the slanted eyes.
You believe?
Wow. Slanted eyes.
I have no reason to make this up, Your
It's
Honor.
not true. I would know if Bentley had a brother.
Yeah, no.
I mean, so how does she have a kid if the dad can't even have kids? He had a vasectomy, babe.
Okay, we're not going to be talking over each other in my courtroom. I'm about to get ready to get down to the bottom of this in a minute because I definitely have the results sitting in front of me.
Perfect.
I'm just trying to figure out the situation at
hand
and make it make sense because I've never saw a case like this. In my 7 years of doing this, I have never had a case like this sit in front of me. This
Sure.
this is something new. This is going down in history, I believe. All right, Mr. Johnson. If these kids are yours, what are you prepared to do?
I mean, honestly, at that point, it is what it is. You know, I guess I'll just have some ghetto twins running around. I mean,
Wow, ghetto twins.
that's-
Wow. I mean, and okay, wait.
You turn
Excuse me.
into a whole new
Hey, not in my courtroom. I need to ask you two. What are you ladies prepared to do if this man is your child and your child father?
It's just
Well, somebody will have some explaining to do.
No, it's never gonna happen. I believe. I'm confident. It's my man's baby. Confident. It's not
Ooh,
his.
I can
do have
see
a
where this
perspective.
is gonna go a whole different direction if this come out that this is. Oh, I'm scared to read these results at this point. All right, guys, I have these results and they read as follows. Whew. In the case of two-year-old Richard, you are the father.
See, I told
All
you.
right, wait.
I told you, babe. I told you.
In the case
How
of
this happened?
2-year-old Illy, you are the father.
We are
Wow.
God,
You
Lee.
Tell me.
can't have a baby if you have a vasectomy, man.
Hey, order in my court.
Wow.
I mean,
wow.
okay, I'm gonna start with you.
Wow.
What are you prepared to do now? How is this finna play out?
I mean, honestly, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be no deadbeat dad. I would love to, try to find a co-parent way that we could just be a family, man. It sounds weird, but you know what I mean?
Okay.
Hey.
Wait. Hey, excuse me. This. Wow.
This I knew it. I knew it though.
All right, now, what are you guys prepared to do? Because I know this is going to be real tough on your families and the kids. And what are you prepared to do?
I don't know. Wow. I'm in complete shock right now. As you can see,
I'm in
What?
shock. I'm in shock as well.
how can you do that to me?
Look,
All the time,
Look,
everything we've been to?
look. We had a
After I
pact.
went to the grocery store? You
We
know I
had-
was picking you up something?
After I found out my man was shooting blanks, I had to do what I had to do.
Wow.
Wow.
We had a pact to have kids at the
See
same
what I'm
time.
saying?
Yeah, but not by my man.
See what
Oh.
I'm
He's gonna
man.
keep it all in the
Told you.
family.
And how could you sleep with her knowing that my legs ain't never hairy?
saying? Babe, I had no
So this was a
idea.
fantasy of yours, and y'all
It's
put
not
that
no fantasy.
together.
You ain't been coming on to me in a whole month, and then all of a sudden you all
Oh,
kissy
my.
and shit.
We-
Hey, this is getting out of
that.
control now. Oh,
I can't trust
no.
none of
Wait,
y'all.
this is getting out of control. No need to.
I want nobody looking at me.
No need to go back and forth. This is something that y'all gonna have to come together and resolve. Cause these kids need a father, and they need a mother, and y'all are sisters, and y'all are family, and y'all gonna have to bring this all in as one. And whatever y'all need to do, canceling. I'm here to have that set out for you, but I don't know what y'all to do. But y'all finna have to leave my courtroom. Court is adjourned.
Babe, I would never do that.
Whenever I'm reading, I like to use my reading glass. Get a pair at ISeeItClear.com.